Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is just a really quick video. It's kind of like an Ibotta hack if you didn't know this. And I'm just going to explain what this is all about. So I have a couple of different store accounts that I have a store number and I have it automatically linked to my Ibotta account. However, one of them, the rebates really never come through. I always have to send them a message and I don't like doing that because it takes forever. So if you wanted to unlink your account and just upload the receipt manually, which is probably the better way to go for some stores. Some stores it works perfectly, but some stores it just doesn't. And I think you know what I'm talking about. Stores such as Walmart, Meijer, Rite Aid, just off the top of my head, you can, Walgreens as well, you can put your store info, but sometimes you don't always get those rebates, even though if it says, hey, it's qualifying. So the best thing to do is to physically photograph it and send it in, and that always seems to do the trick. Now, yesterday, I was just thinking to myself, like, I don't ever get my Meijer rebates. I want to disconnect or unlink the Meijer grocery store with the Ibotta app because it doesn't work for whatever reason. I'm always having problems with that. So what you do is on the main page of your Ibotta account, so it should look identical to mine, see where the arrow is where it says settings and it has a little wheel. That's what you will press. And just press this. And if all of your rebates always work, by all means, keep the two connected. I mean, it's a way that you really don't put your brain in autopilot to get your rebates. But for whatever reason, with my Meijer account, it's like 50-50 if I'll get the rebates back. And I have to like email Ibotta. So it's just easier to photograph the receipt and send it off to Ibotta. I hope that makes sense. I know that Walmart offers that, you can link your Walmart account too, but same thing. Like I'd rather have the control, and especially if a rebate has a timer next to it, like it's expiring in a couple minutes. I definitely want to put in my receipt before that clock expires. You know what I'm saying, right? I don't know if you guys have ever had that situation, but I have certainly. So anyhow, you press this little wheel thing called settings, and then it will bring you to a secondary page. So hopefully you're following along, and it'll have your account, and the third one down is linked accounts. So if you press that, it will have all the different accounts. So on my account, I had Meijer and Rite Aid connected. I never connected my Walmart or Walgreens because I frequent those stores so often that it's just more convenient for me to photograph my receipt, especially if a rebate is expiring. So anyhow, you would press the linked account, and then from there, it takes you to this page where it will itemize and list all the different stores. So I had Rite Aid and Meijer, and all you do is with your finger, you would press unlink, and it'll say, are you sure about that? And you press yes, and then your account will be unlinked. And for whatever reason, that specific grocery store in the Midwest, if I, buy some stuff with my account, for whatever goofy, stupid reason, a lot of times I don't get the rebate. And I'll have to send them a message, photograph the food I bought or whatever. And so sometimes I just say, oh, forget it. But if you photograph the receipt, you have a little bit more control. Hopefully this video is crystal clear and making sense. But this is a problem I've had with my Meijer Ibotta account for many, I'm going to say more than a year. And I had no idea how easy it was to unlink it. And when you are unlinking it, it'll say, why do you wish to unlink? And it says lack of rebates received. So they know about this issue, I guess, at some stores. So anywho, guys, I hope this was somewhat helpful. I was shocked when I saw this and I was so delighted. I'm like, thank you, Ibotta, because this is one place I wasn't really doing Ibotta rebates because I had the hard time connecting the two accounts. But now I can do it manually. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.